working with function. Hello, guys. Once again we're here to talk a little bit about function and do one more exercise. The exercise we are going to solve today is this. The function of x is equal to x squared plus bx plus c, has vertex at point 2 and 6 and a root at the point x which is equal to 5. Determine the expression of f, or, in other words, determine the values of coefficients a, b, and c of the equation, okay? Then, we have a second-degree equation, where we are proposed to determine the values of the coefficients of the equation, that is, the values of a, b, and c. The statement already gives us the point of the vertex, 2 and 6. Let's do the parabola with the vertex values. Point 2 and 6, as the vertex point is the center point of x and y, then we have the center point of the parabola. See chart. Since the parabola is a symmetric curve, we will use the root of the x-axis, which is 5, given by the statement, and then locate the root in the x-axis. See the image. The parabole will be passing on the x-axis, as we see in root 5. Now, since the parabola is symmetrical, we count the same number of points on the x-axis until we reach point 5 on the right side. Counting from point 2 on the x-axis, counting 3, 4, and 5. So we see that we skipped 3 houses. To find the other root, from 2 on the x-axis we jump 3 houses, the same amount, in the left direction, contrary to point 5, so we count 1, 0, minus 1. Stopping at least 1, we find the other root at point x. So the other root we find is x equal to minus 1. With the two roots, x equals 5, x equals minus 1. Let us make the sum and the product of the roots to help us find the coefficients. The formula of the sum of the roots is s equal to minus b over a. See the image. And the root product formula is p equal to c over a. See the image. The sum of roots is s equal to minus b over a equal to minus 4, so, minus b equals minus 4. The product of the roots is p equal to c over a, so c is equal to minus 5a. See the anagem. Working with the equation for the discovery of the coefficients, let us replace the value of the x-axis of the vertex, which is 2, and the value of y, which is 6. X is equal to 2 and y equals 6, so let's make the substitution in the equation, thus a times 2 squared plus 2b plus c equal to 6. See the image. A times 2 squared plus 2b plus c equal to 6. 4a plus 2b plus c equal to 6. 4a minus 8a minus 5a equal to 6. Calculating and making the rules of signs, it looks like this. 4 to 8, minus 5 to 6. Then, adding the values of variable a, looks like this. minus 9a, equal to 6. Equal to minus 6 out of 9. Equal to minus 2 over 3. Now, finally, we find the value of the coefficient which is equal to minus 2 over 3. Using the result of the sum of the roots minus b equal to 4a, we substitute the values of a to find the value of the coefficient b. So, less b equals 4a, stays. Less b equal to 4 times minus 2 over 3. b equals 8 out of 3. Then we find the value of the coefficient b, which is equal to 8 over 3. Now, let's use the result of the root product. C equal to minus 5a, substituting the value of a to find the value of the coefficient c. C is equal to minus 5a, being c is equal to minus 5 times minus 2 over 3. Noting the rule of signs, less with less is more, then c is equal to 10 over 3. Finally we arrive at the values of the coefficients of the given equation, referring to the function x. We see that it is equal to minus 2 over 3x squared plus 8 over 3x plus 10 over 3. We've come up with one more result, guys. Try to do it again, and any questions we are available. Leave your questions in the comments, and if you want a video about other content, just ask us, okay? I hope you have understood. We will have more exercises in this direction to fix this content well. And we're waiting for you on our youtube.com/wiser channel and sign up. You can get the news from Wiser. Until the next staff.